Airplane seat mix-up. Excuse me, I think this is my seat.
Oh, really? My ticket says 16B.
My ticket says 16A. 16A is the window seat.
I don't understand. Is B not the window?
No, A is window, B is middle, and C is aisle.
Oh, you are right. I am sorry.
It's okay, easy mistake.
I will move now.
Thank you.
Enjoy the window.
Thank you. Have a good flight.
Taxi goes different way. Good morning. Where do you want to go?
Lake Hotel, please.
Okay, let's go.
Wait, this is not the way to the lake.
I know. I'm going a different way.
Why?
Less traffic. Main Street has construction.
Is this way longer?
A little, but faster.
Okay, how much will it cost?
Only a little more. Maybe $1.
How long?
About 15 minutes.
Okay, I trust you.
Thank you. I know this city well.
How long do you drive taxi?
12 years.
Wow, you know all the streets?
Yes, I also know good restaurants.
Oh, really?
Yes, Tri Harbor Restaurant. Very good fish.
I love fish.
Look, there is the lake.
Good, almost there.
Yes, 3 more streets.
Your way was good, no traffic.
See? I know the city.
How much?
$9, please.
Here's $10, keep the change.
Thank you very much. Have a good day.
Wrong money at store. Hello?
Hello.
Cash or card?
Cash. Here is $20.
Thank you. Total is $12.50. Here is your change, $5.50.
Wait, that is not correct.
No, I think it is correct.
I gave you $20.
Yes, price is $12.50.
Then change is $750, not $550.
Are you sure?
Yes, 20 minus $12.50 equals $750.
Let me check. Oh, you were right. I am missing $2.
It's okay. Small mistake.
I am sorry, many coins. Sometimes I make mistakes.
No problem. Can I have a bag?
Yes, bag costs 10 cents.
Okay.
So here is $7.40.
Good. Now, correct.
Are you from here?
No, I am visiting from Austin.
Austin is nice.
Yes, but I like Chicago too.
Have fun in the city.
Thank you. And thanks for fixing the money.
No problem. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye. Hotel reservation problem. Good evening.
Good evening. Welcome. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, for today. Name is Thomas Meyer.
One moment, I cannot find your name.
Really? I booked online 2 weeks ago.
I looked nothing here.
I have email here on my phone.
Can I see?
Yes. Look. Today. Double room. 3 nights.
I see, but no reservation number.
Yes. Here at bottom.
Ah, yes. Let me look again.
Thank you.
Still nothing. This is an error.
What can we do?
We can give you a room, same price.
Is it a double room?
Yes, with lake view.
Perfect. That is what I booked.
Price is $80 per night.
Yes. Same as my reservation.
Good, I will give you free breakfast too. I am sorry for the problem.
Thank you. Very nice.
Do you want spa?
Is it free?
No, $10 per day.
No. Thank you.
Here is your key, room 305.
What floor?
Third floor, end of hallway.
Good.
If you need help, call front desk.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a nice evening.
You too. Wrong bill at restaurant.
Excuse me.
Yes. Did you like the food?
Yes, very good, but I think the bill is wrong.
Oh, let me see.
It says to Schneidels, I had only one.
Oh, yes, that is wrong.
And to Coffees, I had only one coffee.
You are right. I will fix it now.
What is the correct total?
One moment. Schneidel $12. Coffee $2. So $14 less.
Yes.
New total is $25.
Yes, 25 is correct.
Sorry for the mistake. We are very busy today.
No problem.
I am happy you like the food.
Yes, the Schneidel was delicious.
Good. Do you want dessert?
No, thank you. Just the correct bill.
Here's the new bill. $25.
I will pay by card.
Put card here.
Done.
Thank you.
Thanks for fixing the bill.
Of course.
I will come back.
Great. Welcome to Miami.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too.
Goodbye.